Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this AIRROBO, and it is a dog vacuum. So we're gonna check this thing out, and we should be able to groom our little puppy here after we get this thing set up. So maybe she'll even come over here and we can do it on camera. So here is the vacuum here. This will be the vacuum itself with the cord underneath. Got a little handle. And let's see what else we have here. Let's see all our pieces and parts. So this is going to be our sucker cut thing, I think. Oh, this is the trimmer. So this one here has that little blade there, and then it'll vacuum it in. So this is if you want to get super close cut, I guess. And then here's our different length tips. So depending on how long we want her hair to be. And let's see what we got here. Here is another, I guess, another tip end. Excuse me. Oh, this one here. So if you're grooming up, doing a tight groom, and you also have the ability to push this here to clean it out. Under here we have a little brush sucker. So this one here, and we also have the little cleaning ability. It's kind of cool. This one here is. This one here is very taped up. Here's another little, this one here looks like it's just going to vacuum, so that's probably just to clean up afterwards. Accumulating all these pieces and parts, and then put the box over here. And we'll see what this part is. Ah, here we go. So this is going to be the part that we'll probably end up using mostly. It's the hose and the attachment here. So it also comes with a bag to put everything in. It's good, nice to store it. So here we go. So here's the. So this is the vacuum here, and here's where the hose will hook up. It looks like it's interchangeable either side, either way. And then the cord is wrapped up in here, so I'll undo that right now. Put that here. So we'll put the vacuum, let's just say we'll put it right here for right now. There's the little area for the cord to come out there, and then if you look back here is the buttons for it. I'll kind of leave it facing this direction right now. Plug it in. Okay, so we are plugged in now, and it looks like we could use this one here to just get in the corners of crevices. We have all these different ones here. I would say I would want to try with the very longest of trimmer blades to start with. So let's see, how does this one go? So this will be in here like that, and then this will go like that. So that would be the longest one. So then if we did it, let's turn it on and see what happens here. So now I see it's cutting and sucking. And if I push the button, it turns it off and on, so that's how we kind of can get it to go on and off. And then right now it's on the middle speed. There's minimum, middle, and maximum, and basically that has to do with the suction. So it looks like this thing's vibrating the same speed no matter what. So I'm gonna go try to grab my dog, and we're gonna go give this a try. Where's Penny? Come here, Penny. Come here, girl. Come here. Oh, look at you. Come on, girl. Oh, look at you. Look at you, little cutie. Okay. So now I've got the cutest little doggy in the whole world on my lap. And we're going to give this thing a try and see what happens when I try to do this. Ooh. Boy, this would make it really short. I don't think I want to cut her this short right now. And she's a squirming. You're squirming. Ooh, but it is cutting. Look at that. It's cutting. Ooh, and it sucks it in and cuts. How cool is that? She doesn't like it, though. It's going to take some getting used to. But let's see how we do this now. Let's see if I go. Ooh. Yeah, it's doing it. Look, I got a little spot right there. Boy, this will really get her good. It'll take a little work and a little getting used to. Just how I have to sit here with the vacuum and just kind of play with her for a little while. But that's the concept, and then it all goes into here. You can see it's in there. But I'll get her figured out soon. Pretty cool. I like it. It's a neat little vacuum. So I think it's gonna work good.